Hey, Chloe here and welcome back. We've shown you what our home is like in its current state in 2021, and if you haven't watched that video, go ahead and check it out, links below. I know it may not look like much, but we've actually done a lot to get to this point. Just that one row of pavers I'm referring to weighed in total over 4,000 pounds, which is the average weight of a car. We now want to take you back over the past couple of years to show you just how we got to this point. So let's go. We found our dream home, but after a few months, the yard began to grow and take over itself. See, the property has many well-developed plants and trees, and as a majority of sellers do, you do a quick cleanup to make things presentable, but underneath the trimmed hedges and weed-whacked beds are these giant plants waiting to take over their space. We also began to find a lot of junk items and problems. Here I am trying to clean out one of our storm drains with my hand. As Michael was deployed, I employed the help of my parents. We began to clear out and replant the front retained hillside. We planted ice plant to cover and keep the hillside in place, but lo and behold, it was overtook with weeds, and as I continued to weed as much as I could on the steep incline, I was overrun myself, and we were back to square one again. Another project were the front 4 Mediterranean fan palms. They needed to be cleaned up, but one in particular had grown out horizontally into the drive and had become, unfortunately, a plant that was no longer a contributor to our yard. 2019 was the year we got a drone, and we're finally able to see our property from a whole new perspective. But 2019 was a big year for us, with travel and planning our wedding in Italy, so minimal forward progress was made. 2020, the year of staying home and tackling home projects. Well, by this point, due to our lack of time to dedicate to the yard, it had really grown and became a headache that we could no longer ignore. So we got after it again and truly started the kickoff to our backyard and garden dreams. At first, we would cut down debris to put into the green bins that were taken in our weekly trash pickup, but that was soon overwhelmed and we looked to other avenues for removal. We decided to get approval from the local fire department to burn the cleared debris. Yes, I said burn. And yes, California is known for wildfires and being very dry. However, in designated areas with control and permits, you are able to burn. So that's exactly what we did. And yet, the quest to clear still continues. I'm exhausted from today. I did well over 2 hours worth of work ripping out that guy from the top. Ripped out this huge bush yesterday. And we're moving along. And then the weeds came, and it became a never-ending battle. The weeds continued to take so much of our time and distract from the clearing of the property. And it was at this point in time when I was second-guessing our decision to purchase this house. But little by little, we will get there in the end. Join us in our next video as we take all of the junk that we found in our backyard and haul it away. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!